Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert down arrow symbol in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to insert the down arrow symbol. You can insert this into cell or text box. Now I am insert on text box. Go to the insert menu. Select the text box option and draw a text box. Now go back again the insert menu, select the symbol option. Then we can see here many font. Now I am find the font Wingdings. Select the dialog box and write the font Wingdings. Then press enter. Now we can see here many arrow. You can add any arrow. Now I am select the down arrow and click insert. Then close the window. Then select the arrow, click and drag on our mouse and go to the home menu and increase the size of the arrow. Now we can see we insert down arrow in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.